Check this out. Look how small this bag is, but what's inside the bag is big. And this right here is actually about the size of a GoPro. Kind of looks like one of those digital cameras, but it's not. What it is, it's a miniature bike air compressor. Guys, isn't that really cool? A miniature air compressor that will go up to 120 PSI. Now, I'm probably not going to use this to rock with any of my car tires or anything like that, but the fact that it can go up to 125, it might just be able to do that. Now, it has a digital display right here. Let me show you. To turn it on, you're just going to press and hold this middle button right here. So the middle button presses and kicks that on. It's already preset at 38 PSI. And I can change that with the U right there. I can change that bar, PSI, or KPI, right? We're gonna leave it on PSI. Why? Because I'm in America and that's what we do. I can raise or lower my PSI right here, and we're gonna go to about 20 PSI, because what I got to do right now is I gotta pump up a work wagon wheel. The wagon's a little bit low, and so I got to kick that on. And so we're gonna inflate that with this little guy right here. But this is a bike pump, so you're gonna put this in the back of your bike seat, bike bag. Anytime you run into a flat tire, you got to change your tire, you're gonna do that. Now inside the bag, they're gonna give you a few extra parts right here. The first one is you're gonna get this Schrader valve right here, and then you're gonna get, actually this is a Presta valve where you can screw that on if you want to screw it on. And then you do have a Schrader valve here and here. And then you have a needle for if you want to do bike or sport ball equipment, basketball, anything like that. And they give you a USB-C cable to charge it with. Again, love the fact that it's USB-C, because almost everything we charge with nowadays is USB-C. Oh, and by the way, you're also going to get a light. So if you happen to need this and it's dark and you can't see what's going on, there's your light right there. You can see that. I really like it when tools give you multiple functions. I really love it when they give you a light and they don't need to, but they're like, oh, by the way, let's throw a light on there. All right, so let's go ahead and pump up my wagon that I've been using to haul stuff back and forth to set up this campground. So let's pump this wagon tire up. All right, so I lied to you. We're gonna go 30 PSI. That's what this tire recommends. So we're gonna do the recommended. We're sitting right at 0. You can see this tire is flat, right? So we're gonna go 30 PSI, and we're just gonna push this middle button to do that. We're gonna see how long it takes to go from 0 to 30. All right, from completely flat to about 30 PSI, that took about 1 minute and 36 seconds. Now listen, for something that fits in a small bag, this is actually kind of impressive. I mean, it's not some big shop compressor that you're going to use. This thing lives in your backpack. And the best part, I didn't have to sit and babysit it. I just set the button, hit it, and forget it, right? And it shut off right at the 30 PSI like it's supposed to. So no guessing, no overfilling, no come back to the tire when it's just about to explode. And honestly, that's exactly what this is for. It's not going to fill up your truck tires. It's not for those, oh man, not right now moments. It's a flat bike tire, a wagon tire, something low when you're out and about. You pull this out and you're back up and running in about 1.5 minutes.